Well, there's Danny and Augie here.
Hi,
This is going to be the elevator at Topgolf in Fishers, Indiana. And check it. It's finally not an Otis Gen 2, but it's a Thyssenkrupp. All right, let's ride up to 3. Here we go.
The animations are pretty sick on this.
Yeah, and this thing's got a super epic motor.
Yeah.
All right, yeah, we can go back down to 1.
Yeah.
Let's get a cab view while we're at it. Pretty nice overall. And yeah, as Augie said, these have scrolling indicators. There's our friend, Mr. Security Camera. But yeah, I'm pleasantly surprised they went with this and not a Gen 2. But let's go back up to 2 where we started, because that's the entrance. All right, let's listen. That is an epic motor. And there it goes. That is going to be it.